Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we will learn how to disable PHP execution in some WordPress directories. As we know that WordPress is one of the most popular CMS, therefore it is main target of the hacker. As per Securi, WordPress accounted more than 95% of all hacked CMS in 2018. So WordPress is very secure by default. Most of the security breach happens due to the user side, because when a user install any plugins or themes from unauthorized source or discloses WordPress directory. So let's know about the WordPress directories. It doesn't matter your WordPress website uses Apache server and Nginx, Lightspeed or Windows servers. Some of the WordPress folder like uploads, themes or plugins are writable by default, so that we can easily upload themes and plugins to our WordPress website. WordPress folders like themes, plugin are writable by default, which means anybody can see it and plan a potential threat. Okay, see this default writable folder are for our easiness, means we can easily upload any themes or plugins. If we go here plugins, install, add new or themes, we can easily upload our plugins. So these folders are writable, but this can cause a potential threat, because if someone type your WordPress website address /wp-includes, if it shows directory, that means this is a potential threat, means user can easily know that what are the directories you are using. Okay, and according to your visible WordPress directory, a hacker can plan the activity. To check your website, open a new browser window, type your website address, like I type my website address wp-includes. Okay, so this means that it is directing to my home page, and oops, that page cannot be found, which means that directories of my website is not visible, means a hacker cannot guess what type of a folder structure or directory I have. Okay, if similar way you type your website address and /wp-includes, if your website shows that directory, this means this is a potential threat. Okay, so in this video I will explain you how to disable the PHP execution in some WordPress directory. Okay, so to do that, you have to add this piece of code to your hat access file, because hat access file directly communicates with your hosting server. Okay, so this is the code, copy this code. Okay, and this is the sample file, hat access file. So hat access file with start with hash begin WordPress hashtag end WordPress. Just ending of your hat access file, paste this code. Okay, so if I go to my public HTML folder, use this, take its backup and add the code. Okay, so this will disable the PHP execution. Okay, but there are other folders like WP includes, WP content upload, WP content, WP includes. So if you go your folder structure, if I go to the WP content, I will get a hat access file here. Okay, if I go to the just public HTML folder, WP admin, WP content and WP includes. In WP includes you will get the hat access if you want to lock this remaining folders. Okay, so you have to add the same piece of a code to there. So this will disable the directory listing. Means once you add the code and when you type your website address /wp-include, you will get this. Means you are hiding your WordPress directory and you are not providing any idea of what the structure you are following for your website, and this way you can secure your website. So this is the very simple video how to includes how to disable PHP execution. You can add same code to your plugins or theme folder, but it is not a good choice because if you want some extended security or more secure, you can add this code to your themes or plugins also, so that your nobody can inject any code in your themes or in plugins. So this is all about how to disable the PHP execution. And if you like this video, then you can subscribe and press the bell icon so that whenever I update any new video, you will get the notifications. So I will provide this blog link in the description of the post, so that you can read it and understand in a better way if I miss any points in my video. Okay, and if you have any doubt, please comments in the comment section of the video. Thank you for watching.